This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by creating the guide itself. Open Apple Maps, tap Search, then Guides, choose New Guide and name it for a city or theme. Add a cover image if you want immediate visual context, then search for place and add it. This first place creates the guide. Once done, you have a saved container to build. Make sure location permissions are enabled so suggestions and directions will work without interruptions as you continue. You'll now populate and organize the guide. Search for restaurants, sites, or hotels and tap Add to Guide. Select the guide you created. Once places accumulate, tap Edit to reorder them into a sensible sequence for walking or driving. You can add short notes or categories to each place so you remember why it's included. After organizing, tap Done. This keeps the route and priorities clear. This structured list saves time when you navigate or share the guide with others. To use the guide, open it, tap any place, then tap Directions or Start to begin navigation. You can share the entire guide with friends using the Share button so everyone follows the same plan, and collaborators will see updates you make. If a place doesn't appear or directions are wrong, close Maps, toggle Location Services, and refresh the guide. Reinstalling maps rarely helps but can reset cached data. If problems persist, check for an iOS update and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.